To use an eBay gift card online, start by logging in to your eBay account or creating a new one if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or username at the top right corner of the page. Then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings section, click on the gift cards link on the left side of the page. This will take you to the gift card balance page where you can view your available gift card balance and add a new gift card to your account. To add a new gift card, click on the Add a Gift Card button and enter the gift card code and the gift card PIN, which can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if you received a digital gift card. After adding the gift card to your account, you can use it to pay for items on eBay. To do this, search for the item you want to purchase and click on the Buy It Now or Place Bid button. On the checkout page, select the gift card as your payment method and enter the amount you want to apply from the gift card. If the gift card balance is not enough to cover the full cost of the item, you can use a credit or debit card to pay the remaining balance. It is also important to note that eBay gift cards can only be used on eBay and cannot be redeemed for cash or used on other websites. Additionally, make sure to check the expiration date of the gift card before using it, as expired gift cards cannot be used. By following these steps, you can easily use an eBay gift card online to purchase items on the platform. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance and use it before it expires to get the most value out of it.